para i-make sure na walang adverse effects sa'yo.
Ah.
Kung nahilo ka within 15-30 minutes, isusugod ka na sa ospital.
Oh my God! Okay, so we just had this unplanned vaccine today. So we book it at Priceline and we have to pay for it. How much does it cost?
69?
Maybe $69. So I am booked there around 3 p.m. and it's now 2:30. So we have to go back, catch the tram, and we'll just go to my appointment. Hopefully it's going to be normal. What I mean is no after effect to me, because Kel explained to me that if there's any after effect, then they have to send me to the hospital, but I think no, it's not. That vaccine is a whooping
Whooping ka.
It's a-
Hindi ko na.
Ang hirap. That's a whooping cup. So our friend has, hang on. Okay, back to you kasi we just passed some family there that talking to each other. So nahiya ko bigla. Ayun. Okay, so that vaccine, well, let's go back to my topic. That vaccine is for babies because we're planning to visit our friend Roy and May. They just have their baby recently, and we want to look that baby. So she's so cute. So we need to perform the vaccine. I think that's for the cough or something, that the baby has no any antibodies. So yep, that's it. And then after the vaccine, we have to wait at least a week. We have to wait at least a week. So it's safe now to visit them. Alright? Okay. So, hang on. Ayan. So, bye-bye muna for the Port Melbourne for now. We haven't walked around 100%, but there's still next day. Ayan. Alright. Ayan, nakita namin tong restaurant na to. I think it's well known in fish and chips. Tama ba? Leg. Ayan, so and then there's a post on its door that it's already closed after 22 years of this restaurant. It's now decided to close because of the pandemic. Make way for Prince George. We have to wear our mask. Okay na? Alright. So, since the tram arrived, we have to wait for 2 minutes because they're gonna clean them. They're gonna clean inside, and the driver will take the toilet first. Yep. So we'll just wait for it, and then after the cleaning, then we can ride the tram. That's how the virus control in Australia. See, it's safe to travel. I think it's going around.
Pag ganun.
Hi, napaisay mo ako ng pabacking. So, nakatapos lang. Dito lang sa likod mo. Kita ba? Yes. So, I just set my appointment ako. Then after that, pay it. Tapos, pagkas magbayad, tinuruan na. Second. So, yeah. Then after, kumain kami. Nag-eat lang. That's for our dinner na. And, pauwi na. Hindi na kami nag-eat for the movie. Masungit yung aking cameraman. Sabi kasi, ginagawa na yung lipstick. Kailangan na ako umayan. Okay, tara na. Maglakad na tayo punta doon. Baka makuha ng iba.
But absolutely no stress with it.
Parang nangikina ako.
Pag manghihina ka talaga dyan, kailangan natin umuwi after.
Ano ba yun?
Oo.
Sige mo, halika dito.
Ang daming delay.
O, diba? Nakatuwa kasi ano siya. Space saver. Tapos may malalagay ka pa. Ano ba? Bakit mo? Di ba malalagay ka?
I don't function very well with that.
Bakit?
Ano yun?
Naglag? Buti na-shoot doon.
Hindi ko maano kasi magkasama ng tissue.
Lagay mo dito yung tila.
Wala.
Ito.
Dito na. Ngayon ako. Malayo pa.
Yun yung tram.
Patalam na tayo?
Yes. Elizabeth eh. 4 na stop din yun. Gusto mo lakarin? Hindi pwede. Malapit na magawa yung ano.
Hindi pwede. Malalay. Kita mo yung hairnet? Tingin mo dali. Hairnet. Bago lang. Hindi mo nakasama. Kaya nakapangan. Pang-work. Wala ko tuloy naalala yung ano. Bumili tayo ng ano. Ng corn beef.
Nang?
Corn beef na pancake.
Ha?
Tapos, may ano, merong di puti na, kasi narinig tayo Tagalog, natatagalog siya.
Oo.
Parang ano,
Paano ka papansin? Gusto mong pansinin siya na
mag-Tagalog. Pwede naman. Nalala ko to.
Obvious naman.
Oo.
I think naghahanap ng...
Friends.
Pag ganun ba, dapat friend natin?
I think so. Like, oh, are you speaking Tagalog?
Mga gano'n?
Yeah.
Go.
Yeah, mali ka po eh.
Okay, 1 minute. And then now. Ayun, 12.